All right, pure structure traders, I'm gonna give you guys a market refresher video here real quick so you guys can better understand, some of the things that we look at when we're trading. Now I'm gonna break down to you why I'm looking for an upside move, and I'm gonna give you guys an inside look at what's going on. So you guys see this level, I put them up for the London session. Market broke down. You see what we did. We came down, made a new low, came back, pulled down, came back up, and we broke through this level of resistance, came up to the next prior low support that reacted as resistance, and then we popped all the way back to our next resistance at 3808.75. From there, you can see we try to pull down. And a couple important things that I want to look at when I'm trading here is I can see this prior lower high, right? And I can see where the market makes this new low. I can see where the market breaks back up. And here's one level of prior resistance right at support, prior support. And then it brings it right back down. You can see where the actual lows are. But a couple things that are important to me in this trade to help me understand that it's actually going back up, right? Two things. We came and we ripped all the way down. We got this level, prior level of resistance, kind of reacted as support, bounced back up, hit this level, couldn't get back through it. Right, came right back down. Again, prior level of resistance reacted as support, and you can see a couple things that happened right here. Now, there's two really close things I want to point out to you guys while I'm trading this long. A couple things you could see. One, two, nice little double bottom. Prior level of resistance right here, right? Another area where it reacted as resistance, right? And there's two big things. Here's a really big double bottom, and you could see the neckline of this double bottom. And here's a little micro one, kind of right in this area. Huge indication of something, right? So here's the market pulling down into this area. Notice how far it gets. If I take a line and I draw this micro level right here, notice it came right to that exact point and bounced, right? And same thing, there's times where this market just comes right to this exact point and bounces, right? And catches that support. Now, two big indications that this price is probably going to pull back up. I'm going to let you guys watch this play out, even on the micros, the small trading account move. But here, I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. This level and this level right here on that pullback should react as the strong level of support to pull price, at least at bare minimum, back into these 94s. Right? At max, we'll try to pull all the way back up to these 98 to 3800. So with that said and that breakdown, I am looking to see exactly what we usually look for, right? We saw this pin bar 1, pin bar 2, couldn't break down below that neckline of the double bottom, which is right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll zoom in for you guys for a second, right? Which is right here. This arrow is pointing right at that area right there. That is the neckline of that double bottom 1, 2. And this is the support. This is the support. We broke down. We came into it, but we couldn't get through it. And look at this market and watch it move to the upside from this point. I'm going to let you guys watch it so you know what it looks like to actually read the structure correctly and then take a trade within the actual market movement once you understand the reading of the market. So for me, again, I'm looking bare minimum 94, but max, you can see here, 99 to 3800. Get through that level and then try the upsides. So I'm going to let you guys watch this trade here. Let you guys see this movement, right? Coming right back into this area. You can see this micro movement going on. Let you guys watch this play out. Move anything. You can see we got 3 contracts sitting up on this. So again, waiting for the market to come into 93.50, 94, and the top of this market. We can go longer, but I'm just going to let you guys see what it actually looks like and understand what you're reading on the chart, and then to take a trade like this with confidence. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. Alright guys, and that is the end of the trade. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Again, that's how you would understand how to correctly read the market and see where it's trying to go. And this is actually a pretty difficult trade. This is an area where a lot of people would end up getting chopped up, not really understanding it. So you can see we're taking off, market's hitting through 94, and actually may even potentially head up into those 96, 98s, 3800s. So again, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Take care.